Welcome to Adas Israel, the Jewish congregation of Mason City. This week's Torah portion in Exodus begins with the word Trumah, or gifts.
It's the section of the Torah that has God telling Moses to tell the people to take gifts to build the tabernacle, or in Hebrew, it's called the Mishkan.
So there are some very important lessons with regard to this very first word, Trumah, or gifts. God tells Moses to tell the people to bring gifts so that the tabernacle could be constructed, and the people responded.
But also, the Torah says the people should take gifts. Why not bring gifts? Well, the rabbis say that we take from what we have because what we have is simply temporary. You can't take it with you, so to speak. Also, the Talmud tells us the gifts were taken to build the Mishkan, and they should be taken with a pure heart, not something done grudgingly.
But why build the tabernacle at all? Why do that? Well, God tells the Jewish people, build the tabernacle so I might be able to reside among you. So now that there is no tabernacle, there is no temple, there is no Mishkan, does God still reside among us? It's a good question.
And that's even a better question. Ask two people and you'll get three opinions. Today I cannot show you God, even though my faith says he's real. But when the Mishkan and later the temple were there, people saw God through the regular miracles that he performed on behalf of the people, from providing food, clothing, water, and on and on and on.
So today God does reside in our synagogues, in our homes, in our offices, if we allow him to be there. But what we need to do in response to that question, is God there? We need to learn how to study, how to learn, how to pray. And if we do, God is with us wherever we're at.
Here's something to think about when we think about God being in certain places. Have you ever been to the Kotel, the Western Wall? It's like no other place on earth. When you go there to pray, you actually feel the presence of God. And why would that be? Well, it's because we treat it as a holy place.
Treating anywhere as if it's a holy place. It says a lot about us and about our relationship with God. And how do we know that God will be with us if we treat those holy places as holy? He said so. Good Shabbos.